third question in this series is one which is substantially more difficult than the first two. This is very definitely something which would only appear on higher papers, and even then is aimed at grades 8 and 9. In this question, we're given the melting points and boiling points of three pure substances, W, X and Y. W has a melting point of minus 114 degrees C and a boiling point of 78 degrees C. X has a melting point of 115 degrees C and a boiling point of 445 degrees C. And Y has a melting point of minus 101 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of minus 34 degrees Celsius. We're then told that in no particular order, the three substances are chlorine, ethanol and sulphur, and asked which row identifies W, X and Y. In effect, we're being asked which is which, and we're being expected to determine that only from melting and boiling points. There's a few ways to do this, but a really useful tip for GCSE chemistry is to remember that ethanol boils at 78 degrees C. It's one of the many reasons ethanol is used in cooking. The ethanol will boil off, and therefore the alcohol will boil off, before the water does. So we know that ethanol must be W. The only line in which ethanol is W is B. However, let's say that that wasn't a fact which happened to be to hand. How could we do this another way round? Well, chlorine is a gas at room temperature. The only one of these that could be a gas at room temperature is Y. There are two lines here where chlorine is Y, B and D. Lastly, sulphur is often found in the rings around geysers and volcanically active spots. It must therefore have a very high melting and boiling point. X must therefore be sulphur. The only line in which X is sulphur is B. We have three possible ways of getting to the single correct answer.